I've been pushing work all summer.
In today's video, I will show you how I created this amazing fall wreath. Supplies required will be two separate colors of Deco mesh. So in this project, I have two separate colors each, and I have 2 packs of ribbons. You will also need a wreath, and you will need the ties for the wreath. So the cost of this project was $8, and I got all the supplies from the Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna have to do first is you're gonna take your Deco mesh and you're going to cut it of all equal parts. About 8 inches should be fine. Now once you've gone ahead and you've cut your Deco mesh pieces and your ribbon, you will assemble it just as I'm showing you on the screen. Now you will need approximately 15 of these, 15 to 16. I believe I have 16 here in this video. If you want to include maybe 18, look, the more the merrier, there's no problem to that. But for this one, I used 16. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take these ties and go ahead and attach them onto your wreath. The purpose of doing this is to prevent the ties from slipping. If you were just to attach them to the prongs of the wreath, they would slide and rotate and move around. So this allows me to keep it stabilized so my wreath can stay in place. At least the pieces of the wreath can stay in place. Here is where the fun begins. Now it's time to assemble. Initially, as you're assembling, it just looks, it doesn't look complete, but you just keep on assembling it. I don't have any particular order as to how I assemble my pieces. Pretty much, I just try to go ahead and assemble as much as I can. And, you fill in. Anytime you see a little space in here or there, you just go ahead and you fill in as best as you can. And continue on, and at every so often you can turn around your wreath just to make sure that it's all filling in pretty well. Keep on filling in your pieces until there are no more, and once you look at your wreath, if you feel that it's a little sparse, and you feel the need to create another little set, go ahead and create maybe 1 or 2 more, and you fill in accordingly. Well, that's it. I'm all completed with my fall wreath. Everything came directly from Dollar Tree, and the cost of this project was $8. Can't beat that, right? This project estimates, if you were to purchase this from a friend or from a store, this project could have cost about $45 if you were to pay somebody to do it. But by watching this video, you get to learn how to do it yourself. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend or two. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Ciao.